appliances are connected in a home. எப்படி கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கணும்? whether they have connected in series or they are connected in parallel.
series ma'am.
series அப்ப series அப்படினா நம்ம ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் படிச்சிருக்கோம். What are the two conditions we have learned? In series connection the value of current will remain the same. Do all the electric appliances in a home take the same current?
No ma'am, it takes different
current. இல்லையா? it takes different current. நம்ம appliance வாங்கும் போதே பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா பின்னால வாட்ஸ் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. எத்தனை வாட்ஸ், டிவியா எத்தனை வாட்ஸ், ஹீட்டரா எத்தனை வாட்ஸ், பல்பா எத்தனை வாட்ஸ். So that refers to the power. So only based on the power the appliance will take the current inside. சரியா? அப்ப if we are connecting all the electrical appliance in series connection, the appliance will get only a limited amount of current. That is the same amount of current. So domestic purpose la, industrial purpose la எல்லாத்துலயுமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா all the electrical appliances are connected only in parallel combination. They are not connected in series combination. So this is one of the disadvantage of series circuit. Okay, so look at here, disadvantages of series arrangement. Having different current requirements cannot be connected in series as the current is constant in a series circuit. And then look at this diagram again. Consider that ipo nee sonna mari na series la connect panniten. Okay, consider I have connected the series connection. The R1 la I am having one electrical bulb, and in R2 I am having refrigerator, in R3 I am having LED TV. Okay, suppose the current is flowing through the first component, that is through the electrical bulb. Suppose if it gets damaged here, the bulb inge damaged ஆயிருச்சு, இது வழியா இங்க current flow ஆகல அப்படின்னா this circuit will become an open circuit here. What do you mean by open circuit?
The current does not flow on.
Current does not flow. அப்ப இந்த R1 ல என்ன ஆயிருது? open circuit ஆயிருது. Will the current flow through the other two components?
No ma'am.
It will not flow through the other two components. Yeah. So this is the other disadvantage of the series combination. So in series combination, if one of the components fails in a series circuit, the circuit gets broken down. Okay, the break iron, that is the circuit will become an open circuit and none of the other components will work in the circuit. Okay, so these are the main two disadvantage. Idu overcome பண்றதா என்னதுன்னா parallel circuit. So is a series combination clear to three of you?
Yes ma'am.
Anirudh, Divyesh, clear? And your name na maranduten.
Subhaselvan ma'am.
Subhaselvan, sorry ma, Subhaselvan. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So next one is resistance in parallel. Okay, resistance in series, what are the two conditions we have learned? Which remains constant and which varies there? Which is constant and which varies in resistance in series? Adhu just opposite the parallel. Anga edu constant iruduma? Which is constant there? Series circuit la ma edu constant irudun paathom. Which remains constant in this diagram?
Resistance.
Current. Okay, in series combination, the value of current will remain the same. எது vary ஆகும்? Potential will be varying. Resistance vary ஆகலாம், vary ஆகாமலும் இருக்கலாம். அது நம்ம choose பண்றது. Okay, so based on the value of resistance, what we are remains constant. Constant.
Current.
Which remains constant in series circuit. Current. Which varies. Which varies. Which way the current will remain the same. Potential difference. இதுக்கு அப்படியே opposite தான் parallel. So in parallel combination, the current will be varying and the potential will remain the same. Okay, in parallel combination, current will be varying and the potential will remain the same. அப்படியே opposite எல்லாமே அதுக்கு just opposite படிக்க போறோம். Okay, so look at this diagram. We are having a battery. The current is coming out of the battery. And at this point, சரியா ஒரு junction point இருக்கு. The junction point, voltmeter neglect பண்ணிக்கோ இப்போதைக்கு. At this junction point, there are three branches. Since there are three resistance, there are three branches. Four resistance இருந்ததுன்னா, the current will be divided into four. Three branches across ஆகும். Whether I have marked the same current or different current?
Different current, ma'am.
I have marked different currents, isn't it? I1, I2 and I3. Isn't it? I have marked different currents. திருப்பி வெளியில வரும்போது பாரு current value எப்படி இருக்கு? Again it remains the same. இல்லையா? பேட்டரியில இருந்து என்ன current வருதோ the same current. That means இந்த circuit குள்ள மட்டும் along these three resistances the value of current gets divided. வெளியில வரும்போது the current gets added up. Okay, so your total current will be the sum of all these three currents. அங்க எப்படி voltage வந்து நம்ம total பண்ணோமோ V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here isn't it in parallel series combination? The total voltage is given as V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Similarly, in series circuit, the total current will be I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, ma? So there we have substituted the Ohm's law formula. What is the formula for Ohm's law?
V is equal to IR.
V is equal to IR. Very good. Then what will be the formula for I? I equal to because here which quantity is varying? Current is varying. Here எது vary ஆகுதோ அதுக்கு தான் formula apply பண்ண போறோம். There voltage varies. அதனால V equal to IR. Here current is varying. So I is equal to V by R. So what will be the total current? Total current is nothing but the sum of the individual currents. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay. So next I have to substitute the values. What is the formula for I? What is the formula for I?
I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3.
Okay, I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. From Ohm's law, what is the value for I? That is, what is the formula for I?
V by R. I is equal to V by R.
V by R, very good. I equal to V by R. Then what will be I1?
I1 plus I1, I2 plus...
No more. I வந்து V by R சொன்னில்ல, அதே Ohm's law formula கேக்குறேன். What will be I1?
I is equal to I1 is equal to V by R by 1. R1. Sorry.
V by R1.
R1.
V by R. தெளிவா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So I1 is V by R1, I2 is V by R2 and I3 is V by R3.
R3.
சரியா? So இதுல V1, V2, V3 போடக்கூடாது because the voltage remains the same here. Is this clear? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what I have given in the last box. V by R equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Which term is common here?
I, ma'am.
Which is?
Sorry.
Yeah. I இருக்குதா? V.
Yes.
Yeah, which is common here? V is common. So take V as common in right hand side. So from the left hand side and right hand side, the term V will get cancelled. V throughout an arrow, cancel arrow. So my final answer is 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this formula is very important.
How 1 comes there, ma'am?
V throughout cancel ஆயிருதுலமா, numerator full cancel ஆயிருது. அப்ப numeratorல என்னது இருக்கும்? 1 தானே இருக்கும்.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, numerator gets cancelled. Throughout V full cancel ஆயிருது. அப்ப ஒண்ணுமே போடாம எழுத முடியாதுல்ல. So numeratorல we are having what? 1. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is the formula. What is the formula for resistance in series we have learned? R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Just அங்க add பண்றோம். இங்க எல்லாமே reciprocal எடுத்து add பண்றோம். So 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. These two formulas are very, very important. Only if you thorough this formula, you can do the problem whatever is being asked from this topic. So what is the formula for resistance in series? What is the formula for series?
I is equals to
final formula. Formula for resistance in series. RS is equal to
V1 is equal to V is equal to IR.
Final formula ma resistance in series. Total resistance value என்ன? RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Total resistance is equal to RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. அதாவது எத்தனை கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அத்தனை வேல்யூ போடணும். இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஃபார்முலா மறக்க கூடாது. So in series combination the total resistance is RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel combination what is the formula? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Rp refers to here parallel. Okay, P refers to what? Parallel. There S refers to series. Here P refers to parallel. Okay, so 1 by Rp is nothing but 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. இப்போ n number of resistors இருக்கு அப்படின்னா etc up to 1 by Rn. Okay, etc up to 1 by Rn. Similarly, if there are n equal resistors, what do you mean by equal resistors? எல்லா valuesமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். This can be written as 1 by R plus 1 by R plus etc up to 1 by R போயிட்டே இருக்கு. nth value வரைக்கும் போகுது. So suppose if there are again அதே பாயிண்ட்க்கு வருவோம். If there are two equal resistors which are connected in parallel, அப்ப ஃபார்முலா என்ன எழுதணும்? If there are two equal resistors, they are connected in parallel. What will be the formula? What is the general formula? 1 by Rp equal to
1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2.
1 by R2. ரெண்டு தான் இருக்கு. Only if there are two அப்படினா 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 இல்லையா? And if the two values are equal, if the two resistances are equal, நான் என்ன எழுதலாம் ஃபார்முலா? அந்த R1 R2 க்கு பதிலா I can write it as R 1 by R plus 1 by R னு எழுதலாம்.
If it's not equal, we need to write the number, man.
If it is not equal, you have to write the number. That is, you have to represent it. Since they are different, you have to represent with different numbers. If they are equal, you need not represent with differentiation. இல்லையா? You can write the same value. So நான் சொல்றது எல்லாமே equal resistors தான். Equal இருந்ததுன்னா you can write it as 1 by R plus 1 by R. 1 by R plus 1 by R will be equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R. 2 by R. இல்லையா? அப்ப 3 ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருந்தா என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? 3 by R வருமா?
Yes ma'am.
5 ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ்னா 5 by R வருமா?
Yes ma'am.
அப்ப n number of resistors-னா n by R னு எழுதலாமா?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so that is what the formula I have written. 1 by Rp equal to n by R. Okay, if n equal resistors are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance is 1 by Rp equal to n by R. But my question is only equivalent resistance. Na reciprocal of equivalent resistance ude value kekla. Equivalent resistance is here only Rp. Rp is the equivalent resistance. Seriya? Appo next I am taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal edunga rendu side. So 1 by Rp becomes Rp. N by R will be equal to R by N. Is it clear? So this is the final answer. Rp equal to R by N. So this is the final answer. Is it clear?
Can you repeat this, ma'am? That final step.
Final step la 1 by Rp equal to N by R. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, ma'am. That you told no Rp is equal to R by N. That one.
Yeah. Here this Rp இருக்கு இல்லையா? This Rp is what called as the equivalent resistance. அதுதான் total resistance in parallel. 1 by Rp is not the total resistance. Okay, just Rp இல்லனா RSO அதுதான் என்னதுன்னா total resistance. அப்ப I want the value of Rp. Rp value தான் எனக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியணும். But இங்க எனக்கு 1 by Rp இருக்கு. So how can I calculate the value of Rp? If I take the reciprocal, I can get the value of Rp. இல்லையா? So I am taking reciprocal on both sides.
Yes, ma'am. N by R turns into R by N.
R by N. So I am taking reciprocal on both sides. So this Rp is equal to R by N. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So if n equal resistors are connected in series, okay, if n equal resistors are connected in series, then your answer is Rs is equal to R into N. If n equal resistors are connected in parallel, then Rp is equal to R divided by N. Formula மட்டும் book எழுதிவீங்க. இந்த derivations நமக்கு தேவை கிடையாது. உன்னோட understanding காக தான் நான் சொன்னது. Okay. N equal resistors are connected in series rs is equal to r into n. series na multiply பண்ணனும், parallel na divide பண்ணனும். rp is equal to r divided by n. Is these formulas clear? Is these formulas clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question. In parallel combination, which remains constant and which will vary?
Ma'am, current varies constant, ma'am.
Current varies?
Constant.
Current varies constant. Current varies, which is constant? Only three quantities. V, I, R. சரியா? R வந்து நமக்கு வேரி ஆகுது. R விட்டுறணும். V, I ல V னா potential difference, I னா current. இந்த ரெண்டு quantity இல்ல, which is constant, which varies?
V, ma'am.
In parallel combination. Parallel combination, which is constant?
V, ma'am.
V is constant. That is potential difference is constant. Which varies?
I, ma'am.
I varies.
Current.
Okay. Anirudh, in series combination, which is constant? In series combination, which remains constant? Divesh, in series combination, which remains constant?
Ma'am, this series is opposite to parallel, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The current remains the same in the circuit now.
Very good. In series connection, current remains the same. Yes, Anirudh, in series connection, which varies? Which varies?
மகள்களை பெற்ற அப்பாக்களுக்கு
இருக்குன்னா எது வேரி ஆகும் அந்த இடத்துல?
Potential difference.
மகள்களை பெற்ற
ரெண்டு disadvantages அம்மா. What are the disadvantages we have said in series connection?
Ma'am, if the circuit breaks.
பாப்பா அந்த போன் எடுத்துடியா? அடுத்துதான் போறேன்.
இன்னொரு disadvantage என்ன சொன்னோம்?
போன் எடுத்துறத அவன் போன் அடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கான் எனக்கு.
All the appliances cannot be, the different appliances cannot be connected in series because different appliances need different amount of current. But in series connection, the current value remains the same. Yeah. So these are the disadvantages, and disadvantages of the advantages of the parallel combination. The disadvantages in series is the advantages in parallel combination. So series connection la, if one component fails, so look at this diagram. We are having three resistance. இதுக்கு நினைச்சுக்கோ, உனக்கு பிடிச்ச ஏதாவது 3 devices வச்சுக்கோ. LED TV, system, வேற என்னது பிடிக்கும்டா? Speaker systems. Okay, so something like this, you are having 3 electrical components are there. So here the current is being divided into 3 branches. First branch la and the equipment work agala, and the circuit வந்து open circuit ஆயிட்டு. First branch it is an open circuit. Will the current flow through the second and third?
No, ma'am.
Current என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? மூணா டிவைட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாத் மட்டும் கட் ஆயிட்டு, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வே கட் ஆயிட்டு. செகண்ட் வேலையும் தேர்ட் வேலையும் கரண்ட் ஃப்ளோ ஆகுமா, ஃப்ளோ ஆகாதா?
It will not flow.
It will flow. It will flow.
Ma'am, it is series or parallel, ma'am?
Parallel ma, parallel. I am showing the parallel diagram. Yeah. Parallel la there are 3 different way. நிறைய வே இருக்கு. அத நான் ஃபர்ஸ்டே சொன்னேன். ஒரு ரோட்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். One way is being blocked, but அந்த ரூட்டுக்கு நீ அந்த இடத்துக்கு நீ போய் சேரதுக்கு there will be different routes இல்லையா? So that is what called as the parallel connection. That is what called as a parallel combination. Different way, வேற வே வழியா நீ போய் சேர்ந்துடலாம். அதேதான் இங்க first pathல வே கட் ஆயிட்டு, circuit becomes an open circuit. The current will be in a current already it has been divided into 3 இல்லையா? செகண்ட்லயும் தேர்ட்லயும் current flow ஆயிட்டு தான் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மட்டும் கட் ஆயிட்டு, so automatically it is being flowing.
Because it is separated in three
separated.
Yeah.
Current வந்து என்ன ஆயிட்டு, it has been divided into 3 different ways. அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஒரு ரூட் கட் ஆயிட்டனால ரிமைனிங் ரெண்டுல என்ன ஆகும், கரண்ட் வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும். So if one circuit has been failed, if one circuit is not working, the other components will be working as usual. And then here, since all the components are connected in parallel, each and every component requires different current இல்லையா? So since they are connected in parallel, componentக்கு தேவையான current வந்து என்ன ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும், போயிட்டே இருக்கும். So the current வந்து since the current is being divided here, each and every component will be satisfied with its own current. அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு current வேணுமோ அந்த current வந்து அதுக்கு கிடைக்கும். So look at the advantages here. Parallel arrangement divides current in different branches and hence each component receives the required amount of current. If one of the component fails in the parallel circuit, the rest works as usual. Okay, the rest of the circuit will be working. Is it clear? Any doubt in this topic, resistance in series and parallel?
No, ma'am.
Clear, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, இன்னைக்கு homework என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? What homework will you write for me today? I will send one PDF to you. சரியா, நான் ஒரு இது அனுப்புறேன். Set of questions will be there. Try to complete those and then send it to me. You can take some time, 2 to 3 days எடுத்துக்கலாம். But next classக்குள்ள எனக்கு அதை அனுப்பியிருக்கணும் முடிச்சு.
Okay.
Okay, you have to send it to me. Don't forget to send. நீ அனுப்புனாதான் நீ என்ன லெவல்ல இருக்க, உன் presentation எப்படி இருக்கு, everything I can check it. Anirudh and Divesh, here ma. I want the answers immediately. And Divesh, you should not give me that excuse. Since I am having too much of work in my school, I couldn't able to complete the work. And I forgot the topic what you have taught. அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்களா last week?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send this PDF which you are using currently, ma'am? It will be easy for us.
Yeah, I will send it. Yes, Divesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, last week என்ன response கொடுத்தீங்க ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Do you remember what you have said?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't give that excuse again, okay? I want the answers within 2 to 3 days. Anirudh, you too, the same. Clear? Okay, shall we end the meeting? The next class will discuss the remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.